Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate C++ function template. If multiple overloading functions have the same body, but they have many types for their parameters, we can group them into one function template. So we only need to implement all these functions once. First, we need to give it a template class T for the type. Once we have the type, we can use this type T instead of specific type for these input parameters. We can use T. We can use T for the return result, and we also can use T inside the function body implementation. When we use the function template, we need to give it a type when we call it. For example, we can give it a type integer, or we can give it a type float. We also can give it other types as well. And C++ will choose the right implementation for a given T. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.